Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add email on Google Photos. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in with a Google account. Now on the screen, you're gonna find photos that you backed up at the photos from your phone. Now all you have to do is scroll a bit. Then on the top right corner, there's a user icon. Tap on it, then select the drop-down menu right beside that Gmail. Now tap on that drop-down menu. Then you have to scroll down and find that add another account option right above backup option. Once you do that, it's gonna ask you if you want to continue with google.com. Tap on continue. Then on interface, you can see they're gonna ask you for your email or phone that you want to sign in with. Well, you just have to type in your email and give your password. Then they'll add that to your Google Photos. And guys, that's it. That's how you add email on Google Photos. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.